Hey everyone, welcome to part 4 of services that you can sell on Fiverr with absolutely no experience. I'm super excited to share all the services that I have personally researched for you. Before going ahead, make sure you watch this complete video and tell me the best service that you liked. Okay, so let's get started. So, the first service that you can go ahead and sell it on Fiverr is AR filters and lenses. Now, if you go on Instagram and you try to upload a story, you will get different filters that you can add. You would get different lenses that you can add to your story and make yourself more beautified. Okay, you can make yourself like change completely and add some stickers, add some colors and all. This is one of the very good services that is in demand right now on Fiverr, and then you can go ahead and sell. But you would be saying, Devraj, I don't have an experience of making those filters and lenses. It is as easy as it seems. So just go on this website called as Spark AR by Facebook. Okay, so just do a Google research, Spark AR by Facebook. Here is the homepage, how it looks. So this website helps you to make lenses even if you're a beginner. And this website is actually owned by Facebook, and Instagram and all those channels are owned by Facebook. So here you can go through some tutorials and make this thing. You can sell out one lens for around 100 to $150 because these lenses would be uploaded to Instagram and it would be available for people. If you're working with a brand or something like that, make sure to charge a bit high for this. For a normal business, you can charge 100 to $150 selling out this Spark AR lenses services. So the second service that you can go ahead and offer it on Fiverr is customer support via email, phone, and chat. Now, what is a customer support? Every single businesses nowadays is operating online, or basically they have some online footprints. And in order, if their customers are online, their queries would also be coming online. And the ways to reach out online is email, chat support, and other things like WhatsApp as well. Okay. So you can work with a brand and you can sell out your services on Fiverr saying that I would be your chat support agent and we would help you reply all the chat on email, SMS, Facebook, other places. Okay. So this is completely dependent upon the client. What tools does he uses? So a lot of time clients uses tools like Freshdesk, Intercom, where they are connected with all the multiple different components of their business. So you can go ahead and give out and sell out the services to your clients where you manage their email, chat, and other services. You can charge around, let's say, 100 to $150 a month managing all these things, or you can charge on per ticket basis. Like for per ticket you would charge 0.30 cents. Ticket is basically the inquiry that is being generated. So 30 cents, 50 cents per ticket is something you can go ahead and charge on these platforms. The next service, which is very easy, the third service, which is very easy to sell on Fiverr, is logo resizing, man. Today, and you can also have image resizing. Okay, either logo resizing or the either image resizing. So these days what happens is a lot of platforms requires image in different size. So LinkedIn would have a different size requirement, Facebook cover photo would have a different size requirement, LinkedIn cover would have a different size requirement, Instagram reels would have a different size requirement. But if you have the time to just create one, like the clients always have a time to just create one image, they would need your help in order to resize those images. There are a lot of tools available online where you can change the dimension, where you can change the size of the file. So you can do all this on multiple different platforms. Again, you don't have to manually do it. If you can do it manually, it would be a great offer because you'll be saving money on those platforms. Also, you can offer a service like removing background. You can use the tool called as REMOVE, remove.bg. You can use this tool remove.bg in order to remove the background. Okay, so if behind you can see a background like this door, this wall. If I go on remove.bg, I can remove all these things and you'll just see my face. Okay. Traditionally, we used to use softwares like PixArt or Photoshop in order to do these things. Now you can use automated tool to do all these things. So this is again a service that you can sell it on Fiverr, where you help people to resize an image for any specific platform or remove the background of the images. Again, these both services have already been in demand. People like to bulk resize the images. This is where you can come in picture. You can charge on per images basis, or also you can charge on, let's say, contract basis, that I would resize all the images for you for 15 days and this would be my exact charge. The next service, or the fourth service that you can offer on Fiverr, is pixel setup. Now, in order to do any ads, you need to set up a pixel, and setting up a pixel is a complex task for a small business owner because it requires a basic knowledge of technical things. Okay, so you can go ahead and offer a service or of I would set up conversion pixel for Google Ads. I would set up conversion tags for Google Analytics, set up pixel for Facebook, set up pixel for LinkedIn ads, set up pixel for TikTok ads. So these are the places where people need conversion pixel setup. You can go ahead on YouTube and just watch a video. If you watch a video of like let's say 30 minutes or 40 minutes for each, okay, or for all together, you'll understand how the pixel gets set up, how Google tags get set up, how conversion tags get set up. You can offer the service. So it would require around 1 to 1.5 or 2 hours maximum of learning experience from YouTube or and blogs, and then you are ready to go forward and offer the service. You can charge around $25 to $30 to for $50 for setting up the tags on all these multiple different platforms and help a business to run ads. Also, you can you can upsell a service. I have told in my video 2 of this series you can how you can sell the Facebook ad service. So make sure you go ahead and watch the part 2 of the series as well. So someone has come to you in order to set up the pixel. You can upsell him services like running ads on that specific platform or creating images or creators on that specific platform. So basically you have to learn the game of upselling because that is one of the big requirements of any business. The next service that you can sell on Fiverr, and this is something I found out with some good research, is Pinterest pins. So in US or and in other countries, Pinterest is like gaining a lot of attraction and people are using Pinterest a lot. So you can help people to design services of designing Pinterest pins, setting up their Pinterest dashboard. Pinterest ad is also in demand. So go ahead and check out the services. Again, I have not used Pinterest pins and all this ads and all, so I'm not sure about it. So do your research and find out the things. Okay, everything is available online for free. Just do some research. I have given you the path. You just need to have a clear vision. The last service, which absolutely is a bang on that I started selling when I started my Fiverr journey, is consulting services. So if you know something about any industry like accounting, finance, HR, business, automations, coaching, trading, anything like that, you can go ahead, crypto, you can go ahead and offer it as a service. Consulting is one of the great services that you can sell on Fiverr. Fiverr is actually promoting a lot of professional consultants on their platform. So you can take a leverage of it, go ahead and sell the expertise that you have. And this brings me to the end of this series. I have talked about 20 to 25 skills that you can sell out on Fiverr in this whole series of 4 videos. I hope you like this video. I would make sure that I add more content like this. Let me know in the comments any specific topics on which you want a video. Have a good day ahead. Make sure to subscribe. Check out all the links in the description. Have a good day ahead. Thank you.